So on your Infinix device, you may have uninstalled pre-installed apps and you may want them back. So here is how you can get them back. This will not work for apps you downloaded yourself from the Play Store. This only works for the apps that came pre-installed on the device when you got it newly and you uninstalled the apps. Okay, so head over to settings, scroll down and select app management, tap it, tap app list. Just wait for a few seconds for the apps to load and then tap recoverable apps. So these are all the apps that I uninstalled that came pre-installed on this device. Most of them I don't need them, but an app like My Health can be useful, so I can reinstall it by tapping here. So it's going to install the app, and then if I tap done, that's it. It is now installed, and if I go back, it's no longer on this list. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.